Good evening and welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today you will talk about your living room. Please listen carefully and answer in full sentences. There are no right or wrong answers. Just describe your living room as clearly as you can. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Do you have a living room in your house?
Yes, I have a living room in my house.
What is your living room like?
My living room is clean and comfortable.
Is your living room big or small?
It is small.
What color are the walls in your living room?
The walls are white.
What furniture do you have in your living room?
We have a sofa, a table, and some chairs.
What do you usually do in your living room?
I usually watch TV and talk with my family.
Who do you spend time with in your living room?
I spend time with my parents, my brother, and my sister.
Which thing do you like the most in your living room?
I like comfortable sofa the most.
How often does your family use the living room?
My family use living room every day.
Why do you like your living room?
I like my living room because it is comfortable and we spend happy time together there.
Excellent work. You answer all the questions very well. Thank you for sharing information about your living room. This is the end of your monthly speaking test. Keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. How did our student do today? Like this video if you support our student. Share this reel to inspire more English learners. Follow VCE for daily English learning. See you in the next monthly speaking test.